Assalamu alaikum guys. Ramadan Mubarak to you all. So as you can see on the screen, we're going to make KOOSE, and the simplest and easy option. Everyone can just make it. Even a 10-year-old, just watch it to the end and see how it all started. So here are the ingredients. You just need three ingredients. If you want it hot, you add your cauliflower. So is the beans soaked and softened, onion, bell pepper, the red one to give it color, and some sprinkled onion to just give it like that, you know. So that is it. I just put everything in and then blend it. So it's the beans and onion and the red bell pepper to give it the red color. Okay. And then I'll add like four cracked eggs inside to make it more fluffier, so you don't need to beat it or something like that. Yeah, it takes time. It's Ramadan, we're all tired and weak, and we don't need much. It's the simplest things around that makes it, that's what we need. Sorry about that. So I cracked like four eggs into mine. So depending on the quantity you're making, and add a bit of water to make it easier to blend, not too much. So when you blend it, you leave it on for a while so that it be fluffy. So you don't need to beat it, like. So this is it, and I added the how they call it, the sprinkle onion to just give it that. So after that, I'm just frying it with. I added some salt and mark it to taste. So this is it. So easy. I don't want to stress you. I'm just here to give it a simple and easy. We just do over to confuse you. Just stay here and be and grab all the secrets and easy options. So this is my iftar for the day. Thank you so much for watching to this, and please subscribe. If you learned something new here, you can just give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Love you all. Assalamu alaikum.